All right, you know that little grassy strip between the street and the sidewalk? I'm going to show you how you can get a free tree or two just like this. Free, that's right. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get some free trees to be planted in between the street and the sidewalk, the little grassy area. This is an easement that's actually owned by the city, even though it's on your property. So what I did was I reached out to the forestry division from the city that I live in, and they have a free tree program to help beautify the city. So check with your municipality to see if they offer such a program. If they do, they're probably going to come out and locate all the underground, because you don't want to, when they actually dig and plant your trees for you, you don't want to hit any gas, internet. So these are the trees that we got. We got 2 purple Prince crabapple trees, planted, installed, however you want to call it, for free, baby. Look at that. They even mulched everything for me. And as far as care goes, the city is responsible for watering, although they did ask for help, especially the first 2 or 3 years. And they also put this little tree wrap around it, this little guard, if you will, that helps protect the tree from winter weather and deer rubs and all that good stuff. And they even properly secured the tree before they put those vinyl guards on. And they pulled back the mulch appropriately so it's not actually touching the base. Mulch is always a good idea. 2 to 3 inches deep. Keep it pulled back from the trunk, of course. Don't pile it up against the base. And not a great looking tree, to be honest, but it is indeed still alive. Our city forest crew has an actual certified arborist on staff, which is pretty awesome. So if I have any problems, I can just give them a call. And the city comes around and waters after they install. Check out this tank they lug around with them. And because this is a free program, they have lots of watering happening in the city, so they do, again, ask for the homeowners' help to do that, especially, like I said, the first couple of years. A nice slow trickle for 20 to 30 minutes or so. That's general. And the idea is over time, it grows to be a good-looking tree like that.